a sundress in the dead of winter, but that's alright. She thinks pancakes are meant just for dinner, but that's alright. She takes her shoes off and runs to the water, and I don't ask why. She thinks rules are for interpretation, and I can't deny. Yeah, she sees the world so differently. She doesn't think before she speaks. I wish we all could have a try to see the world through her eyes. She paints pictures of me with her fingers in black and gray. She likes subtitles in foreign languages, that's okay. She throws pennies out into the ocean, no wish in mind. She grabs a stranger's hand without permission, we don't ask why. And maybe someday she'll understand the way I see her. And maybe someday we'd be so lucky to be her. She sees the world so differently. She doesn't think before she speaks. I wish we all could have a try to see the world through her eyes. And I can't deny, yeah, she sees the world so differently. She doesn't think before she speaks. I wish we all could have a try to see the world through her eyes.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Give me some twos in the chat if you guys can hear me all right on Zoom, YouTube. Give me a little quick sound check. What's up, Lars? Good morning. Excellent. Twos in the chat. Awesome. What's up, George? Jay, Brian, Jazzy J, Ken. Hoping for a quick TP this morning if I hit the road. Me too. I'm not hitting the road, but would love a quick TP. Christine, Juliet, good morning. What up, Amy? What up, Paula? Jimmy P. 222. What up, Trish? Yep. All right. Good morning. Let's check it out. We're in a little bit of a stalemate here. 1 minute is bearish. We still got blues on the 3 and the 5. News-wise, let's take a quick peek at the news. I believe we didn't have much. Yeah, we didn't have much going on as of right now. However, we had a lot going on overnight. I think we're up like a 2,000 points or something. I don't know. It was crazy opening gap here. Close to 1,000 points, 800 points in a matter of minutes. Literally, the first 200 or so came in the open. Yeah, first 250 in the open, and then the next big push came during London Open. So we'll see what happens here as we're in a little bit of a stalemate here. On the 1, volume is bare. 3-minute volume has kind of been fading off as well. Kind of been going downhill here. Market's going to open up here in 1 minute. And we shall see what we ended up doing. What up, Jalen? What up, Nita? All right. We've taken out quite a few daily targets already. We just took out another one during London, 950. The next one, if we go stay bullish, next one's way up here. I actually put one in between it at 221, but the daily target would be 21,349. We do have London's high right here at 991.50. And obviously we got a lot to clean up. That doesn't mean we're going to clean it up today. A lot to clean up down at the bottom, but that doesn't mean it is going to happen today. All right, market's opening in 3, 1, and we're open. We are open and dropping. I'm gonna watch it on the 1 minute. Uh, 3-minute will have to flip at 855. Might lose the volume, but the trend wise might still hold it up there. 855 area. 5-minute has quite a ways to go. 800 area. But first minute is big bearish candle. 3 minute might actually flip here soon. Minute 15 left in this candle. 3 minute is on the red side at the moment. All right, 3 minute just flipped to red as well. 5 minute is still holding strong on the blue side. Still got quite a bit of volume there. We have 45 seconds left in this 5 minute candle. It's right bumping up against the trend line here. And that closed actually below it. All right, we're in a stalemate on the 5. All right, we're probably gonna get some pullback here since the volume isn't ready yet. And then once we get that volume to flip, maybe about the next 5-10 minutes, we might be looking for sales here. We'll see if we get that volume to get on the red side as well. News, we're gonna be live all week. We got yellow folders on Wednesday and just Wednesday. So we got red the rest of the days, red and orange. So we'll be live all of the week. all over the week. Volume on the 5 is holding strong. Be interesting to see how we react out of this imbalance that is heading towards on these higher time frames off this London. It's already tapping into it on the 15 actually. This London Open 750 area. It's getting there though. I would like to see it starting to pull back. The volume will still go away even on the pullback. But we know we're gonna get a pullback on this impulse, so we can start doing that. Would be nice. All right, I'm watching this on the 5-minute now. We're 2 minutes 30 seconds left. Volume is probably maybe another 5-minute candle away from flipping here. Big straight line drive down about 175 points. How was everybody's Mother's Day? All right, this is our first buyer's wick that we had in this drop. What I would like to see is this to pull back around this 850 area for an entry. We're still not blue yet. I mean, we're still not red yet. We're about to be in the bottom of the hour. We're at 205. If this closes below 746, we're probably going to be putting alignment here. But either way, I think on the next candle, we might see that thing starting to go red. It will be an active candle though, so I won't be ready to look for an entry yet. We're slowing down here at the 750 area. Looking for this to pull back now. Tapped into this imbalance here off the opening candle from London. All time frames except for the 3-minute tapped into it. And the 1. All right, we just put on the bullish engulfing candle on the 5. That candle opened and I see it peaking red, so we'll see how this closes. Depending on how bullish it goes, it might keep us in a stalemate, but if it closes anywhere around where it opened or lower, it should be red. Starting to seem like we're getting in a little pullback here, which is good. I want this to pull back. 850 looks good. 900 will be like on the line. But 850 area, 850 area, anywhere above there kind of looks pretty good right now. About to be in the bottom of the hour here. Oh, we are in the bottom of the hour here. Yeah, that 850 area is about a 50% retracement on this open. 857 looks real good just because that's where the start of that imbalance is on the 3. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We're almost there, not there yet. Just because of the retracement. The question is, can you explain why you prefer 850 or 900? It's just that I know this is a big impulse. I know it's gonna retrace. And so if it pulls back into that, it'll be a stronger opportunity for us for the sale. I also feel like it was gonna start to retrace anyway, just because the volume was struggling to really flip. So that means that the sellers are in there, but not really in there strongly enough to pull the volume forcefully down on the 5-minute. So those type of things give me an indication that we're going to get a pullback. And if I'm looking for a pullback spot, this looks good. This looks good, but we won't be in alignment on the 1-minute there. Just kind of looking at things from across the way. You have structure here, stuff here. So this area looks busy for opportunity. This 850 area. Then if you bring in any of the imbalances, 855, 855 as well, and the 3 and the 1 is the same. So those are the reasons. We might not. This might not put us in alignment just because of the way the 5 minute is so bare here. You know, it's like struggling to really stay on the red side, which is fine. I'm not gonna really take an entry until it's ready anyway. But those things like that just give me that indication of a pullback. And I'm okay if it doesn't put us in alignment, and because possibly this could just be pullback to then go higher, and we might see this whole thing flip back over. So we'll just see. If it doesn't do it on this candle, more than likely the next candle will show red again. It's just gonna be depending on how it closes. We're starting to get into the 5 minute imbalance here of the opening bell candle, but I think it can get a little higher. That's around a 382. 850 would be nice if we're in alignment for it. If we're not in alignment for it, then we'll see what happens after that. We're pulling up on the J4 on the 3 right now. I mean on the 1. It's like this. If we were in this trade, we would want this 855 to be like the spot that really holds this down. But doesn't look like we're gonna get this alignment on this 5 minute just yet. So the next 5 minute candle again should probably open up, and it might be blue. We'll see what happens. This is at the 850 area now. But I'm not in this, not taking this. And unfortunately, the 1 minute, if it gets up to the 1 minute, we still have the volume, I would imagine. So this would be one of those ones where we're talking about, we had this happen a lot last week, where it was like towing the line where this could wick and then it could drop and keep that trend level strong. So we'll see. 5 minutes about to close in 10 seconds. Right now we are getting that reaction off of 850. This next candle might open red on the 5. And it did open red on the 5. So let's see if it can close that way without completely leaving us. But even if it does, that's okay. If it closes back below 800, I like that entry even more now than I did before, just because we had some structural type of play in there. So this is a 50% pullback. So if this starts to do this, I'm cool with that. I'll take that. I'll take this all day. So far, that's exactly what it's doing. Does that make sense? So we'll see. We're going to be a little off here. We got 1:10 left in this 3 minute, but we have 4 minutes left in the 5 minute. So I'm not ready for entry if this closes below 800. Not yet. I want to wait, make sure that 5 minute closes spread. But this might be a bearish engulfing. All right, that was a bearish engulfing. We got 3 minutes left in this 5 minute stick. So if we stay below the 3 minute in the next 3 minutes, this is all actually in alignment. We're about to be in the top of the hour. 10 o'clock candle is going to open up. All of this is happening at the same time. So if we stay below here, I'll be looking for a retest. We haven't retested it yet. I'm not looking to take it until this 3 minute candle finishes. I'm just setting this up here. Percent retracement though, that could lead us. down to 650. Ooh, which is right in the middle of the imbalance of the opening bell of the London open candle on a 3 minute at least. And the 1 minute. All right, we got a minute 25. Everything, this candle closing will put us in alignment on the 5 as well, so we'll be good to go from that perspective. I see we just tapped it on the 3 minute already, but if we close here, I'll look to get in at 800. If we don't close above it, then we'll look for 850. I don't think 900. Yeah, 900 could still be a play, but let's hope that our 800 works out if we can get this. We got 1 minute to go. All right. All right. Looking for that pullback up to 800, and I'm going to take a sale. All right, I went on to set the sell limit in there now. I was going to market execution because it was close, but I got a sell limit set now at 800. Lobby. Oh, my bad. I'm in. All right, we need a lower low. Lower low, and we'll be good to go. All right, I'm going to break. Oh, come on. Don't start doing that. I'm going to break even. I don't want that supporting off of that 775 area. Might take me out. Don't take me out. Still in. Should we close below it on the 1? That'd be good. I like that bearish engulfing. That's fine. I went break even. I'm not. I got risk off the table here. We did hit the 25 points. So I went on to remove the risk. We're in a little bit of an area where this could bounce up higher. With this imbalance here, just break off the 25. The tap into the imbalance off the 1 hour. So I'm still in the trade as of right now. Risk off the table, about 10, 12 points in profit. Need this thing to roll over. This bearish engulfing can continue on the 1, then we'll be below 25 and headed towards 50. I mean, we're below 75 and heading towards 50. I'm struggling though. I'm still in this trade as of right now. Still in. All right, I'm out now at the BE level. We closed above 850. Excuse me, 800. I think I keep saying 850. We closed above 800 on the 3, so if we close back below it, I'll replay this entry. If we don't close back below, if we do not close back below it, I'll look for a higher entry. Let's see if we can get back below this. Off this right now on the 1 minute is at the J4. There's a nice little imbalance here as well. See if that can hold. If that can hold, that should put us back below 850, and I'll replay this to see if we can get this to drop through here. If not, we never really got into this imbalance here up here at the 850 area. You good, Jimmy? Looks like you lost your account, bud. That's what breach means. You're copy traded, yeah. Oh, lost my chat. Because of the end of day trailing drawdown, as you grow your account. I mean, it could be a soft breach. I don't know. But I don't think it would say breached if it was a soft breach. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, this is a new 3-minute candle. It's a nice reaction off that J4 so far. Let's see if we can close below here. We still got 230 in this candle though. Oh, so many of you guys. I don't think that would be accurate. Hold on a second. That shouldn't be the case unless you guys did not go break even on that trade. I mean, none of you guys lost the trade unless you did something on your own. I don't know if it's a glitch or you guys actually did breach. I'm not sure. So many of you guys is a little odd for not losing a trade. Well, if you go to your dashboard where you currently are, and if you look at your max loss limit, it will show you what your equity breach level is. So I don't know. I wouldn't think that you guys would be that close, especially if you under leveraging your accounts. I know we had a donut week last week, but on a $100,000 account, that should only be, if you did it as I suggested, it would be like $250 per trade. How did you lose $1,000 today? 96,210. Yours was 146,500. I don't know. Let me check their Discord. Let me see if anybody's having issues today. Oh yeah. Somebody else just said, why am I getting account hard breach when I have not even traded yet? My account just got breached. Accounts that are already to be reset as part of option 1 are current. Oh, accounts that are ready to be reset as part of option 1 are currently being breached. They will then be recreated. Got you. Okay, well, they should have said that. You just scared a bunch of people for no reason. All right, so accounts that are ready to be reset as part of option 1 are currently being breached. They will then be recreated. So you guys are good. You guys are good. It just freaked everybody out. So just don't take a trade until you get your account hooked back up. I know, right? Why didn't they do this last night when they're no? I mean, like, this is the most active trading time in the world. Well, in the US. Like why did they do that right now? Just freaking everybody out. Everybody's freaking out in the chat. Everybody's freaking out in this chat. Everybody's freaking out in the Discord. Glad I looked. Now they're asking, how long will this take? They're so upset. Yeah, I guess not. I guess not. I'm surprised that one of my accounts don't say breached. I have one that was a legacy account. Those are called legacy accounts. If you got your account before the 27th, those are legacy accounts. All right. Well, over the top step it is then. Yeah, so many of you guys happening at the same time. It was kind of fishy. Like, that doesn't make sense, especially off of a break-even trade. What gave it away for me was Christine. When Christine says breach, I was like, all right, something's wrong. If Christine's breached, I'm like, nah, that don't make no sense. All right, well. Oh, that could be too. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Let's go over that real quick. Let me see if I can pull up the email. I don't even know if it was an email. Was it an email? Just so some of you guys may be confused on what's happening right now. No, not necessarily. No, yeah, I guess not. But they are upgrading you. If you didn't pay for it before, they're upgrading you to anytime payouts. They're doing some things, which I don't mind it. It's fine. And sometimes this stuff happens when you're a first mover. Yeah, you can take 850. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. All right, so this is what happened over the weekend. Can you guys see this? My email? Yes? No? Never mind, I answered my own question. So this is what's happening right now. I didn't realize that they were going to do a breach like they did, but basically the email that they sent out a couple weeks ago about the changes that they were making to the payout structure based off of new accounts, they have basically applied it to all accounts now. And so they threw out a couple of options for people, which it says continue trading, which not completely accurate since everybody just got breached. But if you still like to keep trading your account, we will shift to our new rules as of Sunday, May 11th at 5 p.m. Eastern, before market open. Ha! Funny, jokes on us. That wasn't true. So essentially, the first payout for everybody is 5% profit target, 4% profit target, 3% profit target. Yeah, I know, right? Before market open was a joke. April Fools. Payout caps 3,500, 3,000, 2,500, 1,500 based on the account size. All of that was this right here, as I talked about the last time, was all plans that we were making regardless from a build a buffer standpoint. Like I suggested and told you guys, I wouldn't be taking any payout until 5 or 6%. This right here is fine as well. 4%, grow at 4%, grow at 3%. None of this really mattered. This right here might be a little bit more of a sticker for people, just because you're able to take out less. Again, for me, it doesn't matter too much because 3,500 taking that out. Because here at 5, if you go 5%, no, this is why people are being breached right now, because they're getting new. I don't know if they're getting new accounts, but if you're not in profit, I think that's the only reason why you're getting breached. No, No, this is for all of them now. All the accounts are getting this. It was supposed to be done before market open. So anyway, these are all the new payout targets, which we were heading this in this direction anyway, as I keep saying. Here, if you grow 5% on, let's just call it a 100K account. If you grow 5% on a 100K account, that means you make $5,000. The most you can take out is 3, which again, you want to build a buffer, so that's fine. I mean, I don't really see any issue with this. Only being able to take out 3. Honestly, I probably would only take out 2 if I had a $100,000 account, just to have extra room. Especially if you have multiple accounts, then that's 2 each account. So that's 2, 4, 6 if you got all 3, 2, 4 if you got 2. So again, they're giving you an opportunity from growing 5 to being able to take out 3%. So you can grow 5 and take out 3. That's a lot. I wouldn't take that much personally. Same thing here. Grow 5. This is 1% is 1,500 to, it's like 2.5%. Again, probably wouldn't take that much, right? Especially after just going 5. Now, if I grew to 6 or 7, that's different. Then I'll max it out. Does that make sense? So these is all the same. The only difference is that it's being added to everybody. Now, what they're doing for people that were considered the legacy accounts, the grandfathered accounts, looks like that missed 850 by like a hair. Literally 50 cents. What they're doing for the legacy accounts is a 10% stackable discount coupon for your next purchase. So this doesn't matter for anybody or can't take advantage of unless you, if you already have 3, but if you happen to, which you shouldn't, and hopefully never, breach an account, actually, you can get 10% off on an additional to what they currently have. So right now, I believe they're doing 35 or 40% off. So they will give you a discount code to apply on top of that to get you an additional 10% off. So that's what the stackable discount coupon is. You do not need to repurchase your current accounts that they're breaching. They're going to give you, I'm assuming, and hopefully that'll be really nice, especially for those of you guys that weren't in profit, that they would give you brand new accounts. So yeah, I'm assuming that that's what they would do, but I don't think so. I don't know. I'm assuming they would. That'd be even, even more of a thank you for sticking with this type of thing. And then here's 12 months of ASFX TV. So I think everybody's going to get this, but if your account is in more than 1% drawdown right now, will also include a free reset. So I don't know if this applies. Oh yeah. I guess this does apply to, apply to you guys, apply to us, free reset. If you're more than 1% drawdown right now, will also include a free reset. So what I don't know for sure is if they're restarting your accounts if you're in drawdown. All right. Oh, they do? You already got it. You already got your new account? Nicole is confirming that. All right, perfect. And it's fresh. You guys are getting fresh accounts? Excellent. Well, perfect. Good. Cool. So not only are you getting fresh accounts if you're in drawdown, you're also getting included. And I don't remember where I saw that. You're also getting included anytime payouts. Yeah, you just go make sure you go to your dashboard and sign your contracts. You should be getting included anytime payouts. I saw that. I might have saw that in the Discord. Let me double check. These new accounts. Anytime payout, right? They might not get back to me because their people are freaking out in here. I freaking love Discord and open groups. People just freak out. Just pandemonium. Just take a chill pill. Yeah, you got to go to your contract to sign a new agreement. So that's what's happening right now. Now, option 2 is you could have requested a refund by yesterday. So I guess that option doesn't matter, but maybe it still should because they said this was supposed to be done before market open and it hasn't. So maybe you can be like, hey, I want my refund. if you want a refund. They've paid over $2.5 million in 6 weeks. Yeah, I don't remember where I saw the anytime payout add-on was going to be free for everybody that didn't already have it. If you already have it, it should be applied to your new account as well. But yeah, so that's what's up. That's what's up. So, yeah, if it says pause, that's because you got to go sign the agreement and then just wait for it to show you verified or whatever, and then go to your certificates. No, go to your contracts, and once it says signed, it should be good to go. Yeah, so if it says pause, you need to sign a new agreement. If you're in profit, then nothing's going to change on your accounts. So go to identity verification. Then if it's saying you need to verify, go to identity verification and just redo that whole process. If you're in profit on your account, then none of this matters. We don't get anything. We might get anytime payout now. I'm not sure. Let me see. Actually, yes. We do have anytime payout applied to our accounts. If you were in profit. And the reason I know that is because you go to your dashboard, you'll see that countdown to payout is gone. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Mine might be gone because I'm over 14 days. $800 for the trade. Oh, sorry, I forgot I was trading. Yeah, it closes below. Yeah, 800 if it closes below. And it did. It did not. We still got. I'm on the 5-minute. Sheesh. Still got 50 seconds left in this candle. If it closes below, then yeah, 800. Give it a shot. See you tomorrow, Nicole. Yeah, let me see if they responded to me. Yeah, okay. So in the email they added a few more things that were Discord they added a few more things that wasn't in the email. That's where I saw it at. If your account is in more than 1% drawdown right now, we'll also reset it to break even. So that's why you guys are getting fresh accounts. And it said we'll add anytime payouts to your account if you don't have it already. So I'm assuming that everybody gets anytime payouts. George, I do have a sell limit set at 800. So we'll see. And it definitely wasn't barely. We missed 850. Oh, 850. Yeah. We missed 850 by 25 cents, I believe. Now she's tanking on us. 50 cent. 850 missed 50 cent. Now we're tapping into that imbalance on all time frames. Yeah, no problem. What's up, Marlo? That email was sent out on it was 3 days ago, May 9th at 5:18 p.m. Eastern time. What's up, Matt? So actually, Matt, if you got your account before the 27th, from what we were talking about on Friday, yours should be as long as you got it before the 27th, you should be getting reset as well. I'll try 750. We got 45 seconds left in this candle. Well, that couldn't have been a more of a perfect time for everybody that's on TopOne, to be honest, especially after having the hell week we had last week. Everybody send a little praise up, top to the big guy. A little praise to God for that one. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for your grace and mercy. Thank you for wiping that week away. Well, they will give you your money back when you get a payout, baby. Oh, I see what you're saying. Because you're in profit? Yeah, I know. It's all good. All right. Well, not like we missed anything. The market's just finally freaking tanking now. At 850 would have been nice on that second touch. It just didn't get there. I really wanted to get just above there and tap into this imbalance. That would have been a strong push away. I would probably say just stay off of it. Let them do whatever they need to do, and then check back later just to make sure everything's good. And if not, you can send a message to their chat. Don't worry, you're only gonna miss us going from 750 to 650 without an issue. Not gonna be much. You're just gonna miss a TP. It's fine. I got 750 set up. Yes. It's for accounts that got started before April 27th. Yes. Oh, dang. Yeah, you will. I was about to say the same thing. You beat me to it. I'm waiting on 750. I haven't taken a trade. Oh, that's not true. We took one trade and we made it to break even. And then 850 that we wanted, it missed it by 50 cent. Didn't touch 850. So right now waiting on 750. We got a minute left in this candle. It's closer to 700 than it is to 50 at the moment. But if we can get this to touch 750, I'll be in on the retest there. $40% off right now. Paula, are you not on here? You are in here. I just saw your message. I don't know if you weren't around when we talked about that, but hopefully let me know. Waiting on 750. Slowly getting over this market this morning. But I'll be in here at 750. I already got it set up. I'm in. I'm just gonna take it out. All right, at the J4 there. I'm hoping for 800, but that's it. Did anybody else get logged out of session? I don't think so. I got 800 set up. Just check the 1 minute real quick. I'm on the 1 minute. Yeah, I got 800 set up for a sell limit. Sounds good. Let me know if you stop. When are you guys expected to be this way? You're in Nebraska now, so what? Are you driving straight? So what's that, like 10 hours? Okay. Safe travels. I will be in here at 800. Once we get up there, we're at 90, 92. Oops. I'm in. A 15-minute candle just opened up. We had a bearish engulfing on the one. Like to see that continuing. About to be in the bottom of the hour. Should see something happening here in these last 10 minutes. Sellers are trying here. I don't plan on trailing this or anything like that. Just seeing these wicks on the other side and a lot of buyer pressure coming out of this bottom. So just want to see this get to our normal TP, and I'll take the 25 in tomorrow. Or worst case scenario, not. We'll see. Right now we're in profit. I'm tempted to trail because we got a lot of cleaning up to do. But I would like to have seen this move a lot faster. Oh, start. Oh, all right. I'll be quiet now. We got to stay below this imbalance, and I think we'll be okay. Stop using our entry as support. That was a good bearish engulfing candle. Got to get through the J4.
You take me away to a foreign place. Only love awaits, and we'll get there at the fastest pace. Oh, I know, and you know that this feeling's undeniable. Oh, I know, and you know.
The bearish engulfing. We violated a bullish engulfing on the 3. I think we just tapped to break even. Yeah, we did. I don't want to tap it. I want to smash through it. Oh, go risk free on your trade and hold for 50 points. There we go. All right, risk free here. Worst case scenario, down 25 today. I am gonna trail this. I'm gonna set a 75 pointer on this one. You guys do what you want there. Take your 50 when we get there. Or I'm gonna trail. I'm gonna just set a 75 and walk away. We're about to be in the top of the hour. Let's see if the top of the hour can give us a nice drop. 11 o'clock drop, you know? But we're risk free, so worst case scenario, down 25 today. Going into tomorrow, we're gonna have a great week. I gotta hop off here in 2 minutes. So I'll say, or actually 1 minute. So I'll say my goodbyes to you guys. If there's anything you need, hit me up on Telegram. Keep me posted on what you guys do on your trade. TP50 is 70, 750, 725 is what I'm aiming for. We should be risk free though on this though. Thanks for keeping me calm. Always. Don't freak out. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're live all week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Leave a like on the way out. Peace out for now, family. Have a great Monday. Yeah, go ahead and drop. Give it to us.
Can't find another way. You left me with the choices, and I can't let go tonight. I'm not the kind of. I tried to